Payment gateway has been a common problem for small business owners from around the world, especially those in Nigeria, based on the fact that we are not allowed to, you know, uh, we are not allowed to use PayPal because PayPal have not yet included our country in the list of those that can accept payments. So it becomes a common problem. You can't accept payment from around the world, and the ones that we get that has been so helpful to us, Paystack can only accept payment for those within the Nigeria region and maybe in Ghana, and very difficult to get payment from around the world because of some verification issue and stuff like that. Alright, so before the end of this video, I'm going to show you a common payment gateway that is so helpful that you could use to receive payment from everywhere, anywhere around the world, and is used all over the world without going through any struggle. And it's not like other payment gateway that takes forever to send the money to your account, or you have to go through one gateway or the other for you to withdraw. You withdrawal is just within a second, within a split second. As you tap withdraw, the money will go into your account. Alright, so let's just dive into the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to have to use my smartphone right here because smartphone, most of us use smartphone for our businesses. Payment gateway has been the common problem for those that does business from around the world, especially those in Nigeria, and that's simply because there are some verification issues when it comes to receiving payment or making payment from around the world. So alright, so I'm just going to show you this simple payment gateway, and that is you must have heard of it, but you don't probably know the complexity or how it works or the simplicity, and that is Skrill. Skrill payment gateway is it's totally free of charge. It's what anybody from around the world can use to receive and give payment and make payment. All right, looking at this, now all you need to do is to just create a free account on Skrill, and I'm going to drop a link from below. And when you create an account, the next thing you need to do for you to use your Skrill and receive money or make payment from above, from $300 upward, that's transaction beyond $300, you just need to upload your ID. And when I'm talking about your ID, I'm talking about ID such as your Nigerian passport. I don't know whether if any other ID works out, but for me, I use my Nigerian passport and it works very well. So your passport is so effective on this. So what you just have to do now is once you have that verified and is already verified, then you don't have any trouble. And one good thing about using Skrill is that their customer service is very responsive. Like, look at their customer care service contact here. You could contact them by just tapping on the contact, and then if you check if you tap on the contact, you will get their phone number. You can call them, choose your country or choose the country that you would like to send your calls to. They display their international number and your private caller ID, which you have to display to them when you call them. So you can make call to them and withdrawing from here. If you have a domiciliary account, which I believe most persons don't really have, especially those within Nigeria, because of the difficulty in opening it, you could receive your money to your domiciliary account in dollars. But if you don't have domiciliary account, like you can see in mine here, I received mine to dollars, to my normal Naira account. What you just have to do when you have money in the account, what you just have to do is to tap on this withdrawal, and then you will be prompted to add an account. And when you add an account, they'll tell you the exchange rate at which the money will be withdrawn at. You can see this one that was withdrawn by me. The fee here that was taken for a $50 was about $6.54, and at the end of the day, what I received was about 15,852.03 naira. So it did not take up to 2 seconds. As soon as I tap withdraw, and then before I could check my mobile app, the money was already there. It's just as simple as that. Alright, just to verify this, I'm just going to log back into my mobile app just to show you guys, to let you know that this is real, and you can use this to collect payment for whatever thing you are offering for sales for your e-commerce business from around the world, and then everything will just go smoothly. All right, so let me just show you guys the alert, so you see. So like I was saying, guys, you can see this transaction. This is my mobile app, and I use my local bank account, and you can see it was the deposit. This is approximately $43.46, which was deposited into the account from the scrape. That's different from, that's minus the transaction fee that was taken. All right, and it didn't take any time, just in a few seconds. So it's just like that. This is the one that was done today, and this is the one that was done. Okay, that's today. Yes, there was one I did yesterday. That's today. This was the one of yesterday. So you can see that it's just as simple as that. So let me know what you think. Let me see if you've started using it already, and let me know if this feature is you've been using this feature. Let me know if the feature is very, very good for you. Okay, because I see it's very nice. All right, and if you're having issue verifying your scrape, those persons, the customer care, you like I showed you on the interface, you have to choose the particular country you want to call, the particular customer care you want to call. All right, so when you call them, they'll guide you on the particular ID that you may use, that will be a very good, to verify your account, to be able to receive above $300. Okay, but somebody like me, I will recommend you to use your passport, your immigration passport, if you don't have one. If you don't have one, it'd be nice to get one, because I see it as the most widely acceptable ID for verification, or your driving license is also better. So thank you for watching this video, and you subscribe to this channel if you enjoy the content I'm giving to you. All right, and see you in my next video. All right, one love.